Hello friends, welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video I will explain few concepts and which that video will be continued with covering grid views and all. And in this video I will show you like view state and dynamic data set and how to use property. So I already create a name like tiny project, and let's start creating a dynamic data set. Here we need a data set, and I'll create a data table also. And into the table I will add few columns. Like ID, type, (32). Okay, after this just use this and I'll create few columns like name. Let's put this full name, salary, contact number, and gender. So for the full name we need a string, directly mention string, and for this also okay, in 32 is fine. Contact number, let's put 64 because 10 more than 10 values. Gender, we will take a radio button, so it's fine for 1 2, or we'll take string so that we can use male or female. So after creating this table, adding the columns, we need to add to the data set, like tables dot add so we are done with our creating a data set, adding a table, and adding few columns in that. So let's create a view state. Like employee details. Here we can directly put dataset into our view state, but here what I will do is, as I mentioned we will use a property to store a view state, or to access a view state I will use a property. So let's create a property. Okay, here let's start public. So our data set, so I'll say data set, let's say so the same name which I taken in a view state. It's okay, you can take different name. For easy purpose I'm using this. So for the property we'll have get set So in the get I will check if the view state is null or not. If it is null, I will create some data set here. I already created data set, so let's copy that whole thing and paste it here. So when I am using the property or wherever I use this data set in our project, it automatically goes to the set. If it is null here, if there is no value in the view state, it goes here and it goes inside and takes do this steps and get the data set. Okay, so we need to also return, let's return a data set. So we already got a view state data set into the view state, so I'm returning view state with putting data set, because the return the property is a data set. So here we will assign value. So this is what you can see some examples on get set after so that you will get an idea what's going on. So let's build it. So build succeeded. So here I'm using a property, and in the property I'm creating a dynamic data set and putting into the view state, and whenever I need this property or this data set, I'm pulling I'm using this property to get set. So here I can use directly that property. For example, let me take a grid control. This is just for example. So now here I don't have any rows, so that let me add one row at least. ID Emmanuel, salary 1234, contact number 123456, any number, and gender male. Okay, let me build it and see how it looks. Show some error. It says data type argument cannot be null, so we need to have system.string. So we rebuild again and run it. Oh, sorry. So hence we are done with few topics. I will continue adding to this video some other topics. So keep on watching this video, because this is a tiny project. I will show you how to create panels, how to add a few controls in the panel, and grid and few things. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.